Is made of a motor from a pager, easy little, just a battery, and the bottom of a toothbrush. So we created a little obstacle course, and it's a tiny obstacle course that Trenton will be presenting.
So it's just a paper folded into a triangle and two ketchup cups, pretty much.
To basically go through the cups without making them fall or go through. So that's if it fits though. Oh, it went through pretty nice because and we're gonna see if it'll go through, if it'll go in the circle here. Obviously it won't.
Watch this.
It's actually going a little slow.
It's going somewhat faster than we did have it, but yeah.
We pressed the battery down a little bit more to get it more juice, to get it faster.
Or give it more power.
To give it more power. So now we're going to see how fast it goes on the time. Ah. It's going pretty fast.
It's like observing it pretty much.
Observing.
It's like getting a good grip of its area where it can go.
And we're gonna see if it stays on here while being on.
You are daring. You are just daring this robot to fall. You're daring it to fall.
Okay. See, it's still observing.
That's the way to make a robot.
That's how we made a robot, and this thing should stop now.